Hello traders, welcome to another session of astrology, financial and technical analysis. Today we are going to analyze a very important news which is floating these days within 2-3 days, and we are seeing the rise in price and rise in open interest also, and I am just talking about Infosys. Why brokers and other strong analysts, they are recommending Infosys. What is happening in Infosys? Is it a buy or just a mirage? For this, I would like to first of all take you to the chart of Infosys. So here today what we are seeing is a clear-cut trend line breakout, and it is not only a trend line breakout, but in MACD also this crossover is happening. This is a kind of a marginal crossover or a bullish crossover, we can say. So that means it has started a new journey towards a high. Today is 3rd March 2021, and when I am analyzing it, the spot price of Infosys is 1328. और देखिए किस तरीके से DMI is also changing. Now DMI line has started turning upward. At present it is 11.37, and let me also take you to the weekly chart of Infosys. In the weekly chart also what we have seen is 520 रुपए से चलता हुआ Infosys जो 1387 रुपए की तरफ चला था has retraced, and now in the weekly chart also we are finding a trend line breakout of the week, right? And in the DMI chart also what I am seeing is that DMI line has started turning towards a new understanding or a new level. So is it a buy or a sell? In fact, by now you must have understand it is a good buy. Let me take you to the ticker tape. Here what I am seeing is the overview of Infosys. 90% of the analysts, they are saying that they should be buying in it. So not only me, brokers, but many analysts, they are in the favor of buying Infosys. And what is happening today is at 1328, the intrinsic value, that is current price, is also more than the intrinsic value. So what are the forecasting they are making is very interesting. It is covered by 42 analysts, and out of those 42 big analysts, 90% of them are saying that they should be buying it. So in fact it is a good buy in my opinion. So let's look at the forecast what they are projecting. Currently at this price they are projecting for 1 year, that is the period ending March 2022, a high of 65% growth in Infosys of at the rate of rupees 2160, and they are expecting a 17.83% hike in the EPS revenue forecast, that is 1.10. Currently the forecast is 0.93 and they are expecting it to be 1.10, and EPS they are expecting is rupees 48.56. So it is becoming very interesting to watch these things. The main fundamental analysis is, I would also like to bring your attention to the shareholding pattern of Infosys. Promoters are holding only 12.9%. Mutual funds, they are having 13.66%. Domestic institutions 9.75%, and look at this figure, foreign institutions, they are having 32.26% of the holding, and retailers are only having 31.36%. Another comparison which we would like to see is between the peer group. In peer group, only Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, is having more PE ratio of 34.88 than Infosys, and PB ratio of it is 13.31, and PB ratio of Infosys is 8.40, and PE is 33.70. So in this way, when we look at the forecast, the analysis ratings, the holdings with the institutions, and also the PB and PE ratio and expecting EPS, we can safely assume it to be a good buy. And in the last, I will take you to my astrology chart. What I am finding is very interesting in astrology this time. Infosys is well reacting to the major planets like Jupiter, Pluto, Uranus and Neptune. And mainly in this year coming, when Saturn will be squaring the Uranus 1 or 2 times more, we will be finding Infosys reacting to that planet very much. यहाँ पर on the beginning of January 2021, when Jupiter was squaring the Uranus, what I found is very interesting that it starts slipping down or start retracing or doing some correction. And now for the month of June, when Saturn will be in square to Uranus, the market certainly can show a uptrend. So what are the astrological levels which I am looking for? Astrologically, I am looking for 1260, 1263, 1350, 1441 and 1531. So safely I can assume and I can agree to the targets of 1440. Analyze yourself and read the disclaimer and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.